Quitting your job to do online work or to do business, it's a very big decision, a very huge decision. And I don't think it's an easy one. And for most of us, if not all of us, at one point in our life, we've been employed full time. It's a very big decision. It's not easy. I can tell you for sure. But before quitting that job, to go and start up a business, before quitting that job to go and do online work, these are some key points that you should consider. Number one, ensure that you have some savings for at least 6 to 12 months. Savings that will be able to cater for your bills and expenses, especially in cases where you're paying rent, you're paying internet, you're paying your transport and other expenses. Ensure you have savings to cater for all that. Another thing, ensure that that business which you're going to do or that online work which you're going to do, it's already giving you some income consistently, or it's giving you income that is exceeding your current salary. Okay? Yes, ensure, because sometimes you might quit that job, then you go and start online work, and you know online work takes, or business takes time to grow. Then you find yourself depressed and stressed when you're not able to cater for your bills or to meet your expenses. That is another thing. Point number 3. We've looked at ensure that it's making income consistently, and ensure you have some savings. Another point number 3, ensure you're emotionally ready and mentally ready. That is the most important of it all. Don't quit that job because today the boss was very angry. Just because today you are summoned in the office. Just because today the boss came when they are moody. Don't quit because of that. Yet you know you're not emotionally and mentally ready. Quitting a job is not easy. You first of all be emotionally prepared that, Carol, in December 2020, in December 2025, we are quitting this job. This year, we are not staying in this job again. Start preparing yourself mentally and emotionally. After that, another key point, have a clear plan for whatever the business you're going to do, or for whatever the online work which you're going to do. Have a clear plan about it. What are you planning to do? How is it growing? How is it going to generate income to you over time? So this, my advice would be, if you're struggling financially, don't quit that job right now to go and do online work or do a business. You can improve on the online work as you're still working. Then as it grows over time, start preparing yourself to quit. Or that business, work for it, start preparing for it as you're still working there. So if you're struggling financially, don't quit that job. If you're not emotionally and mentally prepared, please don't quit that job. But as you are in that job, you can start having an exit plan, a clear exit plan. Remember, I always say, not all of us were meant to work online. Not everybody is meant to be an entrepreneur. Some people are very, very good employees. Don't do something because of peer pressure, or because everyone is doing out there, or because it's the new thing. Sit down, ask yourself some questions. Do I have savings for 6 to 12 months? Am I happy in this job? No. If I'm not happy, then what is my plan? How will I exit? Then start coming up with a clear goal and a clear plan. So that is how you can weigh when to quit and when not to quit. Okay? Yes. And the most important is the mental preparation. mental and emotional preparation? Let me know in the comment section. Are you currently working in a full-time job, or are you working online? If you're working in a full-time job, are you planning to quit, or have you ever thought about it? And if you have ever thought of quitting, do you have a clear plan about it? Do you have savings which can meet your expenses? Let me hear in the comment section what your thoughts are.